step into the Jeep 2018 Wrangler Sport. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include black 3-piece hard top included, Freedom Panel storage bag, rear window defroster, rear window wiper washer, gross vehicle weight, TBD, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, included, tip start Dana M200 rear axle hill descent control, quick order package 24B included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVT-UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, air conditioning, tires, 245/75 R17 all-season, TQK, included, Bridgestone brand tires, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVT-UPG1 with ESS, STD, bright white clear coat and 18.5-gallon fuel tank.